press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome back to the English class. So we completed where there is a will, there is a way lesson, right? So let's we practice grammar part, that is question and answer and grammar part. You have to open the page number 96, 97. You have to take a pencil, dear children, pencil and eraser. Okay. So first one in the page number 96, C1. Complete the following statements by choosing the right answer from the 4 alternative givens. So alternatives given here, we have to select correct answer. Understood? Wilma Rudolph is famous as Black Gazelle. First one is Black Gazelle. You have to tick this one, children. Black Gazelle. Understanding? So next one. Wilma is a dash. Wilma is a sprinter. Second one. Sprinter. You have to tick the right one. Okay. Wilma's legs were weak because, yes, her legs were affected by polio. Her legs affected by polio. Okay. Fourth one. Rafer found it difficult to run to wearing a spiked shoes. Right? Wearing spiked shoes. Right, dear children? Understanding? Decathlon is first one, a competition where athletes take part in 10 separate events. First one, a competition where athletes take part in 10 separate events. Okay. You have to mark the right one answer, dear children. Write it down. Be quick. So next, C2. Read the lesson and find the answer for the following question or say the answer orally. See, where was the 1992 Olympics held? So, it was held in Barcelona, right? Okay. Who are the 2 athletes that this lesson takes about? That is, first one Wilma Rudolph, second Rafer Johnson. Right, dear children? Okay. To which country did Wilma belongs? Wilma belongs to USA, United States of America. Right? What was the doctor's recommendation to improve Wilma's leg? That is to do regular massage to get her limp leg back. Right? To do regular massage. What happened to Rafer's left leg? It was badly crushed in a machine. Right? Okay. List out the events in decathlon. So, if you have to go that glossary words, you come to know this answer, dear children. For last meaning of the sword. Okay. So, C3, discuss in your group and answer the following questions. Many countries send their teams to the Olympic. Why? Because it was a biggest event and it is honor to every country to send their athletes to set a new record. So, success or failure is secondary. Participation is very important there. It is a honor to the country, those country. Understanding? Why are the players not happy when they just win? They want to set a record. So that's why if they not win means they was disappointed. How did Wilma's family help her? So Wilma's family help her to do a regular massage to set their time, and they will do regular massage to get her limp leg normal one. Right? Okay. What do you learn from the lives of these two great athletes? We thought that, what do you thought, dear children? So, even though they are disabled, two athletes had the willpower, patience, perseverance. Because of their hard work, struggle, perseverance, patience, willpower, they set a new record. They were the champions, right? So, we have to make our life like this, right? To our in this weakness to achieve this goal. So, to seeing their achievements, what we have learned, we have to build willpower. So, we have to do hard work, regular practice. What we have aim means we have to practice one, right? Okay. Have you met any who has made great achievement in this or her life? Tell your friend about his or her. You have to share this one with your parents, dear children. Okay. So, page number 98, C4. Arrange the details given below in a sequential order and rewrite them as a paragraph. Now you have to, so it is jumbled sentence is given here. We have to arrange the sentence. After that we have to make a paragraph. Okay. So first given here, she was in bed for 2 years. She became well in course of time. Wilma was weak as a baby. She played for her school in one of the matches. She had regular massage for her limp leg. She had attacked a polio in her 4th years. First one, Wilma was weak as a baby. First one, Wilma was weak as a baby. Second one, she had attacked a polio in her 4th year. So in her 4th year, she had attacked a polio in her 4th year. Okay. Third one, she was in bed for 2 years. She was in bed for 2 years. That is third one. Fourth one, she had regular massage for her limp leg. Okay. Fifth one, she became well in course of time. She became well in course of time. Last one, she played for her school in one of the matches. Okay. Understood, dear children? Okay. So, if you will not understand means once I am writing the numbers, see, you have to write it numbers, dear children. Don't be confused. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences are given there. Third one is first one. You have to write this answer. Okay. Sixth one is second one. Third one is fourth, fifth, sixth. This is the right answer, dear children. Okay, write it in your textbook. Take a pencil, you have to write it. Okay, so next one, V1. Who are the following? You have to guess who are the one who participate in a running race. To them, what we used to call, dear children? Runner. First one is runner. RUNNER. You have to fill the blanks, dear children. Dashes is given there, you have to fill it. One who takes part in the field and track events. Athlete. ATHLETE. Okay, athlete. One who run fast for short distance. Sprinter. 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 Fourth one. One who is injured as a result of a disease. Victim. Fill these blanks, dear children. Like next one, V2. Complete the following paragraph. Choose the correct word from those given in brackets. So you have to look at all the student of class. Look at the page number. Look at the page number 98. Class 6th went to the stadium. Dash some. You have to write some. Some. Yes. SOME. Of them participated in individual events, a few of them in group events, and the remaining went to cheer up their THEIR, their friends. Rohit was a good runner when the race, RACE, when the race began. All his friends knew that the dash would win in the finals. Rohit won the first prize and became the overall champion. Okay, you have to write in those blanks, dear children. V3. Read the words given below and circle the words that do not belong to the group. So what you have to do is circle the odd man out. Okay, running, relay, high jump, long jump, kabaddi. So you have to circle the kabaddi. Okay, coach, carpenter, batsman, bowler, umpire, wicket keeper. So here carpenter is separate. You have to circle the carpenter. Chess, carom, football, table tennis, snake and ladder. Chess, carom, table tennis. These are the indoor games. So football is the outdoor game. You have to circle the football one. Tendulkar, Sehwag, Dhoni, Mahesh Bhupati, Yuvraj Singh. So here Mahesh Bhupati. Okay. So they are the cricket players. Tendulkar, Sehwag, Dhoni and Yuvraj, but Mahesh Bhupati is not. Okay. Match the words with the achievement for which they are given. You have to match. Khel Ratan. So Khel Ratan is given for C. Outstanding performance any game given by the central government. First one is C. You have to match C. Okay. Outstanding performance in the game given by the central government. Arjuna Award is given to D. D. Highest award given by the central government for outstanding achievement in any games. So, Arjuna award is D. Drona award is E. Outstanding coach. Drona award is E. Outstanding coach. Okay. Next one, fourth one in the page number 100. Ekalavya award is A. Outstanding performance in any games given by the state government. Okay. Dhyanchand award B. Outstanding performance in hockey. Okay. Next one, V5. Write any 4 famous players on who you play following games. So cricket. So 5 cricket's name you have to write. That is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Yuvraj Singh, Rohit Sharma, whatever it will be. You have to write 4 names. Hockey players you have to write 4 names. Dhanraj, Gagan Ajit. So you have to write football, Sunil, Vijayan. So like that you have to write the 4 names. Tennis, Sania Mirza, Mahesh Bhupati. So you have to write 4 names. Tennis players. Chess, Vishwanath Anand, Padmini. So next one, some words are given in the box. Circle the opposite of these words in such a box. So here box is given here in the page number 101. In the 100 page you have to search those opposites. So here words is given here. In these words you have to search the opposite of those boxes given there. Okay, you have to mark that one. Okay, thick, thin. Opposite words, dear children. Opposites, thick, thin, far, near, wrong, right, beautiful, ugly, strong, weak, cruel, kind, fast, slow, finish, start. Okay, so seeing these opposite words, you have to search in that box. Square box is given there, search box is given there. You have to search these words, dear children, opposite words. Okay, you have to put the mark. V7. Look at the V7. Complete the phrases and sentence given below. You can select words from the cloud. So one cloud is given here. So on that cloud you have to select the word. He drives. He drives Carefully. You have to select in that cloud, dear children. Cloud is given there. I speak to my parents. I speak to my parents politely. Okay. We have to speak with our parents with politely, dear children. Politely. Okay. I reach home safely. Safely. Okay. She solved the problem easily. Easily. She solved the problem easily. We come to school softly. Softly. In that cloud, words are given there. We have to select those words. Okay. Next page 102. You have to open the page number 102. I sit in the library, still is there. I sit in the library quietly. Quietly. I sit in the library quietly. I play with my friend happily. I play with my friend happily. Understanding? Okay. So, dashes is given there. You have to write in that, on that blank. Dash, okay, with a pencil. So whatever you write in your textbook, you have to write in the pencil only. Don't touch a pen, okay. So next one, can you make similar sentence? Complete the following. So dash happily, dash politely, dash easily, dash slowly, dash safely, dash quietly, dash carefully, dash softly. So you have to make it, dear children. So 4 I will do. So remaining 4 you have to do. This is a homework to you, dear children. She sang happily. First one I am doing this. Second one, we take to elders politely. We take to elders politely. I climbed the hill easily. I climbed the hill easily. The snail walks slowly. The snail walks slowly. Okay. So remain 4 is there. You have to do this. Okay. This is a work to you. Next one. Page number 103. 103. This is the Rohit's family. See what each one does the stay healthy. So they are doing exercise. Her mother, Rohit's mother, his mother doing other exercise. So what his father, what he is doing, his grandfather, what he is doing. So you have to think all about this. You have to look at the picture using and or but. Make as many sentences as you can about Rohit's family. One example as given for you. All the members of Rohit's family get up early in the morning. Grandfather is walking but Rohit is jogging. So jogging. So here Rohit is jogging here. So his grandfather walking here. So Rohit's father is what he is doing? He is lifting the weight. Okay. But her mother, what she is doing? Mother, she is doing exercise. But Rohit's sister, she is skipping, right? So you have to look at observe the picture. You have to make the sentence to using the and or but. Okay. Page number 104. 104. Look at the picture and write the names of the sports games in the space provides. Discuss space how these games are played. So look at the picture, dear children. You have to write those games name. Okay. Women's football, running race, tug of war, high jump, hockey, swimming. So you have to write the names. About Wilma, Raffer, both. So W3 is given to you. You have to read this information, and you have to fill the about Wilma Rudolph, or about Raffer Johnson, about both, concluding. Okay. Write your biodata. You have to write your biodata here. I am a dash. I am a student. My name is, what's your name? I am a dash years old. How many years your past? I stayed in class. Which class you are going to study? My name. What's your name of the school? Your favorite subject, your hobby, favorite color, favorite game. So which game? I live in, where you are living now. So write your biodata and another way. So like this, your name, your address, date of birth, your father name, your mother name, nationality, that is nationality means Indian. Your height, your weight, your hobbies, it means what you are interesting. So language, how many language you know. So all these things you have to write there, children. Okay. Let's speak one of each. Some situations are given below. Read them and respond suitably. The first one is done for you. Here, the teacher has disturbed you all the textbook and notebook. Your bag is heavy to carry home. You ask someone to help. So how can you will ask like this? Could you please help me carry this bag? Could you please help me carry this bag? Politely you have to ask this. Okay. A friend, next one, a friend just come to see you at your house. Offer him or her something to drink. So someone, your friend come to your home, you are going to offer some more drink. How you will call? Will you have some coffee? Okay. Or may any drink. Okay. You are at the post office. You want 3 stamps for posting a greeting card. What do you say to the man at the counter? Please sir, can I have 3 stamps? Okay. You are sitting in a crowded bus. You notice an old lady standing near you. Offer you your seat. How can you offer? Okay. Madam, may I offer you my seat? Okay. A friend of yours has helped you to locate your missing book. Thank him or her. Thanks Rohit. Without your help, I would not have found the book. Okay. You are in the class. The teacher is explaining something. You want to tell something about the topic. What do you tell your teacher? Excuse me madam, may I speak about the topic? Excuse me ma'am, or excuse me teacher, may I speak about the topic? Okay. So dear children, question answer, vocabulary, grammar part, everything completed related to this lesson. Where there is a will, there is a way. I completed everything. You have to so what I thought now, you have to write all those blanks. You have to fill that blanks, dear children. What homework I given to you, you have to write those homework also. Okay. So in the next class, I will take a new topic and come with you. So until that, take care. Thank you.